Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Pamuk Camacho. In this space, read my short history. My short history's name is Adorable Victoria Miyazaki. Let's start. Okay, Aiko Miyazaki look at the bendy book is hands and feet archive. She walked over to the window and reflect on the picturesque surroundings. She has always looked magical for Hishiba, Japan, with these mangled, moonlit mountains. It was a place that encouraged his tendency to the fit activity. The Then she says something in the distance, or rather someone. It was a figure of Victoria Miyazaki. Victoria was an adorable friend with strong, strong black hair, eyes, and white skin molds. But but not even a friendly person who had once jumped into right and say at King Hair's Queen Maria Miyazaki was prepared for what Victoria had is storied today. Sorry. They ran hundred like running waltz, making Aiko anxious as Aiko stripped outside a Victoria come closer, she could see them disgust lit in the eyes. And I am here because I want to be my student Victoria belong with an unterrible tone. And he slammed his fist against Aiko's chest with the force of 25 46 horse. I am figuring love you, Aiko Miyazaki. I could look back even more anxious and still figured the bending book. Victoria, I want to be for I want to be your afraid, he replied. They, they look at each other, my worried feelings, like two elegance, empathy, and walking a very selfish Miyazaki Family Day celebration, which had classic music playing in the back- background and the two English lands to big. I stood I was student Victoria strong back, hard eyes, white skin moles. Eventuality, he told the to break. I'm sorry, but I can't get you do one to me student. I explained it, painting tones. Victoria looked stressed, he body red, like to pony, placing piano. I could hear Victoria's body charted into 13, 20, 20, 25 piece. The adorable friend hurried way into the distance. Not even could that coffee would call Aiko's nervous tonight. They thank you so much for my listen, my read history. Thank you. Goodbye.